What is up, everyone? So, haven't made a video in a while, at least car related. Car's been down for quite a while. Big things happening, at least for me. Something I've been meaning to get to for a long time, finally coming to fruition. And yeah, finally got my supercharger installed. Had the car running today. You say I still got the jumper cables hooked up. Car was down for a few months while it was dealing with life and pulley issues, and every time I had a chance to work on it, had another snag or something stupid happen. So please stay tuned. Car's going off to the tuner this week. Hoping for some decent numbers, but here's a little clip of the car running untuned, so it's rough, but take a listen, let me know what you think. In the description I'll have links to all of my stuff and a list of my mods that I'm working on here and what at least my power expectations are. Appreciate it. Thanks for checking it out. Make sure you subscribe to my Instagram, link in the down there, and subscribe to my channel. Cool.